Hello everyone, welcome to our lab 2, and in this video we are going to be demonstrating how to disable the Sudo timer on AlmaLinux and also verify how password prompting changes before and after the configuration. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is to test some commands using the sudo command. So for the very first case, we're going to use the sudo command to list our various images. Yes, list the various disks in our computer. So we'll just use the command. Here it prompts us for the password. Now we'll try to run another command again. This time around it won't prompt for password again. This simply because the sudo timer have set a particular time, such as 2 minutes. Once you input the password in the terminal, you will not be asked for the password again. And this is actually dangerous because if the system administrator uses it or her computer and leave the computer for just a while without maybe logging out, and an intruder comes in, the intruder will have full access to the administrator's account without any restriction. So the sudo timers make sure that each time the user input the password and again want to execute another command which needs the sudo privilege, the user will be prompted for password. So for now, we'll just go into our vsudo file. Remember, vsudo file is very important when editing any command, any of these commands, such that you cannot cause any system misconfiguration, because once you configure anything which is wrong in syntax, vsudo automatically detect it and send us an error. So from here we are just going to type you have default, and we'll set our timestamp to 0. So this simply means each time administrator want to execute a command using the sudo command, the administrator will always have to input his or her password. So once we do this, we save our file, then we exit, and let's run again a couple of commands to see how this will affect our commands. To execute the first command, you discover the prompted for password. Execute the second again and it prompts for password. If you want to execute the third again, you still have it prompt us for password. So it is very essential to always set the limit to which our timer, our timestamp will always request for our new password. So here, this is the complete lab 2, which helps us to know how to disable sudo timer globally and also apply it to specific user. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.